Hello students of class 7. Today we are going to discuss the two topics, decline of the Roman Empire and the Byzantine Empire. So what were the reasons for the declination of the Roman Empire? Okay, so let's begin with the first reason. It was that by 395 AD the Roman Empire is split, divided into two parts. The Western Roman Empire, its capital was Rome, and the Eastern Roman Empire, its capital was Constantinople. So with its division, the political disputes started between these two. They just started fighting with each other, and thus they became weaker. Okay, and we know that whenever we divide, we become weak. Yes. Besides, the rulers were also not efficient. Yes, the successors were not very much strong enough to control the empire. This also became the cause for the decline of the Roman Empire. Yes, the next thing was that there was decline in trade. Okay, so due to declination of trade, the wealth was not coming into the empire, and that's why they became weaker. As we know that with money, with wealth, a state become powerful. Okay, but all these things just made responsible for its declination. What happened after that? The next reason was that by 4th century AD, Western Roman Empire, it shared the common boundaries with Scandinavian countries. In this Scandinavian region, Germanic tribes used to live. Okay, as Germanic tribes, some of the important community, the group among them were the Goths and the Frank, and one more was there. I just escaping. It is just escaping out from my mind. So just consult the book. So that is not the issue. Okay. So two Goths and Frank were the important Germanic tribes. Okay. And what is Scandinavian? Actually, it is a region in northern part of Europe. Okay, and Sweden, Finland, Norway, these were the countries which comprised this region, and they shared a common culture, and that's why there was a great bond among these countries. Okay, so what happened when these Germanic tribes of this region shared boundaries with Western Empire, Roman Empire, the conflict started between these two also. Yes, because we have just understood that Western Roman Empire became weak, and that's why the Germanic tribes saw it an opportunity, and they started attacking on Western Roman Empire, and by their attacks the empire also became weak. Okay, and in our book it is said that the attacks of barbarian tribes, barbarian it means uncivilized, and we all know that the tribals are referred to as uncivilized. Okay, so they were powerful, they were uncivilized, and by their attacks we can just understand what happened to the Western Roman Empire, which already became weaker. Okay, so the political unity of this empire became disturbed. Yes, because when they attacked, and due to the lack of one person, there was no just one person that was just controlling over the Western Roman Empire. Okay, thus this empire divided into many regional kingdoms, and they were also fighting with each other. So the political unity, there was no political unity, and when the Germanic tribes attacked on them, they became helpless, and this became the cause for the decline. Okay, and by 476 AD, okay, 476 AD, finally this Western Roman Empire was collapsed, and the Goths, the Germanic tribe, he attacked on the Western Roman Empire, and the last ruler of the Roman Empire was Augustus, Romulus Augustus. Okay, and the first ruler was Octavian Augustus. Okay, so by the attack of Goths, finally this empire collapsed. Next topic is Byzantine Empire. Byzantine Empire actually was the eastern part of Roman Empire. This empire survived itself. This empire protected themselves. Yes, and with time the cities like Jerusalem, Constantinople, and Alexandria became flourished, became center of trade, we can say, and in this way, the eastern side, Eastern Roman Empire, Byzantine Empire became prosperous with time. Yes, why do we call it Byzantine Empire? Because we have learned already that Constantine first made his second capital at Byzantine, but after that the city Byzantine was renamed Constantinople. Yes, so that's why we are discussing about Byzantine Empire. The name, the Eastern Roman Empire got its name Byzantine Empire. Yes, so due to lack of strong rulers, due to declination of empire, especially Western Empire, we can say the law and order was totally disturbed, collapsed, and that's why in this way the only institution, the only organized institution at that time was the church. So the church took the responsibility on itself to maintain law and order in Roman Empire. Okay, so this way we have completed our today's topic. In the next topic, in the next video, we will discuss the rest topics which are left only few. So thank you. Have a nice day.